Hey there, this is Attorney Dan with Attorney Stephen Liu. We've been working on a couple of estate planning cases together over the last couple of months, and I thought I'd have Stephen here come and chat with us about estate planning and what he's experienced over his 20 years of practice. So thanks for joining us.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Yeah, so let's kind of get right into it. Obviously, with the will, with the living trust and a will, with the will they have the executor, and with the trust they have the trustee. And in nearly 100% of instances, the spouse is the successor trustee, right, or the first backup after the first spouse. But after both spouses pass away, there's another trust to help manage the trust. What are some of the considerations that people should take when deciding who should be trustee?
We really have these seasons in our lives. If it's in that first season when we have young children, or if we don't have children, right? You're going to pick after the surviving spouse. We may pick somebody siblings, our parents, if they're healthy and around. But I think some of the considerations to think of is just think of convenience, right? Obviously, you want to trust the person, but within that scope, within that group of people that you trust, that are capable, if you have a sister or sibling that lives on the East Coast versus the one that lives in California, you may want to choose that person's that's close by, that can be able to take care of some of the logistics issues that are nearby. So that geographical location is always a good thing. Competence, obviously, somebody who's going to be able to be more comfortable dealing with lawyers, banks, and all that. And not rocket science. Not talking about high sophistication. The lawyer really walk them through all those things, but somebody that's responsible, and then obviously somebody that you trust that can do that.
Yeah.
Age, you don't want somebody that's
super old, right?
Yeah. They want to outlive you.
Yeah.
So those are situations. Now in the next season, when your kids are adults, that might be this time that when you had your sister or your sibling or your parents as a trustee, it might be the time where we review the trust and you switch them over to your adult children as trustees.